In 1750, the leopard's geographic range spanned nearly the whole of Africa, south of Sahara, occupied parts of North and Northeast Africa, and extended from Asia Minor through Central Asia and India to China and Manchuria. By 2019, the species had lost up to 75% of its former range. Several large pockets, however, remain throughout sub-Sahara Africa, Iran, and the Himalayas. The leopard varies greatly in size and markings. The average size is 50 to 90 kg in weight, 210 centimeters excluding the 90 centimeter tail in length, and 60 to 70 centimeter in shoulder height. The ground color is typically yellowish above and white below. Dark spots are generally arranged in rosettes over much of the body and are without the central spot characteristics of the coat of the jaguar. The leopard is a solitary animal of the bush and forest and is mainly nocturnal in habit, although it sometimes basks in the sun. It is an agile climber and frequently stores remains of its kills in the branches of trees. It feeds upon any animals it can overpower, from small rodent to water buck, but generally preys on the smaller and medium-sized antelopes and deer. It sometimes takes livestock and may attack human beings. There is no definite breeding season. The female produces 2 to 4, usually 3 cubs after a gestation period of 3 months. The calls of the leopard vary and include a series of harsh cough, throaty growls, and deep purring sounds. The animal takes to water readily and is a good swimmer.